It's such a nice day outside.
What did you say?
I asked him not to wet my hair, and he decides to wet my hair. I literally just got my hair done yesterday.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's not like it's real.
Then he starts accusing me that my hair isn't real. What do you mean? It's real.
No, it's not.
You are not professional and ethical.
It's literally just water. It will dry out.
Thanks a lot. Now I gotta call my hairstylist, and now I'm gonna be late to Pilates because of you.
Fuck your Pilates. I can't even see the results.
I am so shocked right now. You are not body shaming me right now.
Fucking for real. He's trying to shift the problem onto me. It's just a little bit of water. Get over it.
You're the one that wet me.
You know what? Fuck this. I wanted to come in here and relax. I always have to make everything about you. I'm done. I'm leaving.